Playtime with Al.
Howdy! Hello, everyone! Do you know what time it is? It's riddle time! Let's do it! Let's do it! Even though we're little, let's do it! Let's do it! Time to solve a riddle! I see a new shape on the screen. Do you know what it is? I don't know. I think we need some clues. It's a bone. But what does a bone have to do with this shape? Do you know? Me neither. Can I have another clue, please? Look at this special house. It doesn't have a door, but instead, there is a hole in the middle. But who would live in there? I don't know about you, but I need another clue. It's a bark. So, what do a bone, a small house, and a buzzer that goes have to do with that shape? Wait a minute. Dogs like to eat and play with bones. They live in small houses and they bark. That's it. This shape must be a dog. We did it! We did it! Even though we're little! We did it! We did it! Yeah, we all solved the riddle! Yay! Thanks for helping me figure it out. I have to go, but I'll be back in a few minutes. Howdy! Hello, everyone! How are you? Look at that shape on the screen. Do you know what this means? That's right! It's riddle time! Let's do it! Let's do it! Even though we're little! Let's do it! Let's do it! Time to solve a riddle! Do you know what it is? I don't have a clue. Let's see if there's something in my box that could help us figure it out. Here, it's white. And it floats. It looks like a feather from a bird. But what does that have to do with this shape here? I don't know. Let's try another clue. Oh, it's an egg. An egg and a feather. What do these have to do with that shape? I need just one more clue. funny sound. It sounds like an animal. But what animal goes and has feathers and lays eggs? Do you know? That's right! A chicken! We did it! We did it! Even though we're little, we did it! We did it! We all solved the riddle! Thanks for your help! I think I'll collect some more with my friend here. Oh, wait! Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, hello, friends! Do you know what that is? I didn't either, until I met a brand new friend the other day. I was on my way to the park to play baseball when I saw something interesting hanging between two big plants. It was fuzzy and gray, just like the sweater my granny knitted for my birthday. But it didn't have a hole for my head to go through. So, it couldn't have been a sweater. Maybe... It's a hammock! Like the one my dad lies in when he's taking a break from mowing the lawn. No, it was too small to be a hammock. I mean, I'm small, and even I couldn't fit in it. So, if it wasn't a sweater, and it wasn't a hammock, then what was it? I decided to take a closer look. And that's when I saw it. Two little eyes. And then a whole bunch of legs. Do you know what it was, do you? My brand new friend, Jerome the Spider. It turned out that the thing I saw wasn't a sweater or a hammock, but Jerome's spider web. We spiders, said Jerome, create this web to live in. We also catch our food with it. Now, you and I can play baseball together, said Jerome. You throw, and I'll catch. And we did! My friend Jerome was great at catching a baseball. It's always so much fun playing with friends, but now it's time for me to go on a short break. See you later! Hey! Howdy, hello there! Ooh! Do you know what this is? Yeah! It's a bottle of milk! I like to put milk on my crunchy, bunchy, munchy cereal for breakfast. Every day. But I wonder who makes milk. Hey! I guess it's riddle time! Let's do it! Let's do it! Even though we're little! Let's do it! Let's do it! Time to solve a riddle! Yay! Ooh! Look! It's a chicken! Does milk come from chickens? Let's see. Chickens have feathers and lay eggs. But I don't think they make milk, do they? Chickens? Nah. Let's try again. Hey! Check it out! Do you know this animal? That's right, it's a fish. Does milk come from fish? Let's think. Milk Fish. Milk. Fish live underwater and swim all day long, but they don't make milk. No. Hey, it's a cow! Cows are really big animals who live on farms, eat hay, and go moo. Hey! Cow milk. Cow milk. Cows make milk. The same milk we use for our cereals. That's it. Woohoo! We did it. We did it. Even though we're little. We did it. We did it. We all solved the riddle. Yay! That riddle made me thirsty. It's time for me to have a sip of this delicious milk. And, as a cow would say, it's time for you to move along and meet some more of my friends now. I'll be back soon. Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. This is my friend, Horsey the Horse. Do you know what time it is, Horsey? It's riddle time! Let's do it! Let's do it! Even though we're little! Let's do it! Let's do it! Time to solve a riddle! Hey! It looks like a horse. But, its backside is missing. We need to fix that horse and find the missing piece. Ready? That doesn't look right. A horse with a green tail? I don't know of any green-tailed horses, and it's too small for a horse. I know! It reminds me of a lizard's backside. And we need to make a horse, so let's try another one. Now it's pretty big. But it's too big. It's bigger than the body of the horse, and it's gray. Do you know what it is? Oh, yeah! I think it belongs to an elephant. Let's try another one. Look at that! I think we found the missing piece. Yippee-ki-yay! It's a horse! And you know what this means? We did it! We did it! Even though we're little! We did it! We did it! We all solved the riddle! We did it! We did it! Even though we're little! We did it! We did it! We all solved the riddle! Wow, we all had a great time horsing around. Right, my friends? Now it's time for us to giddy up. See you all soon! Hey! Howdy! Hello! Do you know what? I saw this beautiful thing in the sky the other day. It was like this colorful, it was this really pretty, colorful, well, you see, it was a beautiful, colorful something in the sky. But what was it? Maybe Screen has an idea. Ooh, was it a bird in the sky? Oh, nope. it wasn't a bird. Huh? But I did see something colorful that goes up when the rain comes down. Maybe it was an umbrella. Nope. It wasn't an umbrella either. I didn't see an umbrella screen. I saw something that goes up in the sky as the rain was falling. It had a shape that was like this, like an arc. Yeah. Like this. Hey! Ooh, I can do it. An arc, yeah? Well, I suddenly noticed it after it rained, and then the sun came out. What do you think it could be? Like, when the rain went away, there was a colorful bow in the sky. Oh! A rainbow! 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 That's the word! Yay! A rainbow! That's what I saw! Yes, that's what I saw! A rainbow! They are so beautiful! Don't you think? Ooh, it's pretty. We have to take a short break now. Have fun! See you soon! Oh, howdy, hello everyone! It's riddle time! Whoa! Let's do it! Even though we're little! Let's do it! Time to solve a riddle! What is it? I need some clues. Do you know what this is? It smells like hay. What would hay have to do with this shape? Let's try another clue. Oh, I know what this is. It's milk. I like to put it on my cereal. But what do these have to do with this shape? I need another clue. This buzzer. It moves. Wait a minute. A haystack. A bottle of milk. A buzzer that goes. Do you know what it means? It's a cow. Cows eat hay, make milk, and go. We did it! Even though we're little, we did it! We all solved the riddle! I'll be taking a short break now, but I'll be back in a few minutes. Hey, howdy, hello! big chunk of cheese. That reminds me of a funny story. Would you like to hear it? The other day I was hungry and decided to have some dinner. I had a big bowl of salad, spaghetti, cheese, bread, all my favorite food. And then I remembered that I also needed a napkin. So I got up to go and get one. When I got back to the table, my salad had disappeared. Don't you think that's strange? I looked around and tried to figure out where my salad had gone to. But then my bread disappeared too. What was happening to my food? Was there anyone else there who was hungry? I decided to look around. But I couldn't see anyone. So I was just about to eat my spaghetti. But then the spaghetti disappeared too. Oh, I had to find out what was going on. Where had all my food gone? So I decided to hide behind the table and wait. And then I saw exactly who had been snacking on my spaghetti when a little mouse came in and tried to eat my cheese. Mr. Mouse, I said, why did you eat my dinner? And Mr. Mouse said, I'm sorry, I was so hungry. How could I ever make it up to you? All you needed to do was ask. I would be happy to share. Thanks.